Hi, I'm John of Gervasi PhotoArts. I've had a passion for photography my entire life. It is an avocation for me, one that I have enjoyed during my full-time career in information technology. I have pursued photography as a part-time business since 2009. In January 2022, I retired from my IT career after having worked in the Metro DC area for more than 40 years. I know this market and have worked for or with many of the largest IT companies in the area, so I know what it takes to be successful in this community. Now that I am retired, I am free to pursue my passion full-time, combining my career experience in information technology with my skills and experience in photography and videography. It is my goal to help you be successful in your career or business by providing you with the best photography and videography services to complement your personal or business brand. Now is the time to take that next step to position yourself for success. I hope to see you soon on the other side of my lens. Thank you.